demo list 4. Java.util. Array list integer. I'll take OB1. I will take new array list holding integer. Anyway, like this, I'll take 3 lists. I'll take 3 list objects. I'll take OB1 dot add of new integer of some 12. I'll take 4 elements. I'll take 12, 13, 14, 15. I will take. I'll take 4 elements to OB2. I'll take OB2. I'll take some 22. I'll take 22, 23, 24, and 25. I will take. I'll take 4 elements to list 3. I'll take. List 3. I'll take. So this is suppress warning. You add it. So yellow mark will go. Here I'll take some 13, some 27. I'll take 14 already there. Right. 24 I will take. 25 I will take. One element different. 13 from here and 24, 25 from here and 27 new element. Now display it. System.out.println. So elements in OB1 I am displaying. OB1 dot toString. So this is 3 lists anyway. So these are the 3 lists: OB1, OB2, OB3. Lists. Okay. Now we are trying to use some method here. This one. Contains means checking whether single object available or not. Contains all means checking list available within the list. Nothing but collection available within the collection. So first I'll take contains. I'll take the method. I'll take contains. Contains method I'm taking. System.out.println. I'm taking the method as contains of object. Checking that single object available or not, we are going to check it. So return type is Boolean. Actually, Boolean, some P is equal to OB1 dot contains of new object, always object form, new integer of 12. 12 available within the OB1, no? Yes or no? Now 12 available within the OB1. So P will be true. So system.out.println. Println. So element. I written 12, element 12 available in OB1. This time printing P. Here true will come, no? Here true will come. See there. Element available is true. So my intention introducing one method known as contains, which is used to search one object within the list. That's called contains. Contains all will be there. Can you see contains all? Right. Contains all means checking for group of elements. Contains all means checking for group of elements. We are checking. We had one more method. So system dot out dot println. I am using the method known as contains. Contains all. Parameter is collection. We are passing parameter. We are passing one collection element. Collection means list or something. Okay, right. So here Boolean. Return type is Boolean. Q is equal to OB1 dot contains all of OB2. The meaning OB2 available within the OB1 means elements of OB2 available within the OB1. True or false? False, because these elements are not available. So system dot out dot println. So we can say OB2 available in OB1. My intention elements. So printing Q. True or false will come. So answer will be false. Suppose I taken OB3. OB3 here. OB3 available in OB1. OB3 available in OB1. True or false? Here some elements are matching, no? 13. 113 only matching, no? Right. But answer will be, see there, false. Why means all, no? All elements must be available. Okay, right. So we had one method known as contains all. Both methods are available to search single object or group of object. Nothing but elements here. Group of elements or one element indirectly. So that is contains all. Add all is there. So add all means we are adding one collection to another collection. Add all by index. Two methods are there. Okay, right. Now see. I am using system dot out dot println. I am using the method known as add all. Parameter is collection is the parameter. It is the parameter. Here add all Boolean only anyway, but I am not taking any Boolean element because add all means already elements will be added. No, I will display that. Okay, right. Add all method. OB1 dot add all of OB2 means OB2 added to OB1. So I am printing OB1. I am printing OB1. Whenever. So print remaining also. So OB2 added to OB1. So these are the elements. Can you see here 12, 13, 14, 15 and 22, 23. You can add it, no? Right. You had a method known as add all. Contains all, add all. Add all by index. List is popular for index. So add all by index. We had one more method known as add all. Where is this? Add all by index. Here int is available now. Index followed by one collection here. So we can use a method known as add all. System dot out dot println. Here add all by index collection. I'm adding the collection anyway. So I'll add OB2 add all by OB3 but I'm adding by index here. Can I add by index 2 now? Right. Index 2 means here 0, 1, 2. Sorry. Adding 2 no. 0, 1, 2. By 23 after 24 is there. Before 24, this is all added. Before 24, they are all added. Now they are added to OB2 no. Print from OB2. System dot print all. Why I'm printing means they are updating your list. Can you see this? OB2 0, 1, 2. By 2, the elements are added or not now? Index 2. All of you understood? Contains all, add all by index. Already you know add method, remove method, add by index, remove by index. I done the operations. Set, get I done. Sorting by using collections dot sort like this. List means some operations you should remember. Some methods you should. That is array lista, linked lista, vector, secondary that is. Because all will have same operations. All will have same operations. Allocation different. I'm going to reveal that. Means internal allocation different. Front end operation same. So these all methods will work on all. Okay, right. Few methods you are remembering in a overall view. Okay, right. Next method. Sir, is empty, okay. Contains, okay. Add, okay. Remove, okay. Contains all. Add all by index. Remove all is there, no? Remove all. So we can remove. Already you had remove is there. Remove by index is there. Now remove all. If you want to delete some elements, remove all method is there. Okay, right. So I am using the method remove all. I am using a method known as remove all. System dot out dot println. We are using a method known as remove all. Remove all I am using. Right. Now already, now this all added here, no? I'll remove them. Can I remove this all now again? From OB2, I'll remove OB3. Remove all method, I'll remove it. Now remove all. OB2 dot remove all of OB3. So OB3 elements will be removed. (13, 27, 24, 25). 13, 27, 24, 25. Here 24, 25 repeated, no? They also removed. I observed this or not now? Yes or no? I observed right. This also removed. Because they are replicated elements, 23, 24 match, they also removed. Remove all. Remove all means I want to remove this. 24 two times is there. It removed. 25 two times is there. It is removed. Remove all means all. Duplicate also it will be removed. So final is 22, 23 is the final. Right. All of you understood remove all. Remove has three flavors. Remove by object, remove by index, remove all. Three methods. Whenever you find today, list methods are very important. 80% methods you should remember in list. Because you can remember also very easily. So add by index. Remove by index. Remove all. Okay, right. Set, get. These are the popular methods. Then rare used methods are add all, right? Remove all. These kind of methods you should write on a paper and remove them. Remember them. Like this, you should remember few methods because I have to write a list also already. Okay, right? Now, remove all is okay. Can you see one method? Retain. Retain all. Retain meaning is keep it. Retain means keep it. Keep them. That's the meaning. Retain means keep it. Remaining all you delete. That's the meaning of retain. So suppose here 100 roll number students are sitting. Management given some roll numbers 25, 26, 27. Retain them. They'll say 25, 26, 27. Sit in the room. Remaining all you go out. That's called retaining. Retaining means keep them. See there. Now I'll use retain. How I'll use retain now? Here 22, 23 is there no here? Can you see this? Now I'll say OB1 retain OB2. The method see there. Retain all. I must pass the collection or not? No. Retain all I am using. Retain 22, 23 from OB1. Retain 22, 23 from OB1 means 23, 24 you keep it. Sorry. 22, 23 you keep it. Remaining all you remove it. That's called retain. I am using retain all. System.out.println. I am using a method known as retain all. I am using retain all. I am using. So OB1 dot retain all of OB2. Then display it. 22, 23 only will be there. Remaining all retained. 22, 23 you kept it, remaining all. All of you understood the method retain? Keep it, remaining all you delete it. Retain. Now, in these two new methods came from Java 8. Can you see these methods? If possible, whenever you return a list, that the two methods are new methods there actually. Sort method before 8 version. Collections one class I given no. In that collections sort method is old pattern. Old pattern that is. Actually in your Java journey, in your Java history, Java want to come into internet world. From 2002, 2004, 2006, this period, internet growth is very high. Internet usage increased. More technological growth is very high in that period. Your Java also concentrated on the versions. That only Java 5, that is popular. Why Java 5 is very, very popular means it is in the, when the internet world is growing on from 2001, 2002 to 2006, our web service came in 2006. Our web service came. Java web service is very old. 2024 started, no? So almost 18 plus to 16 plus years completed for web service. Our web service is very old. Before that, Corba is there for us. Corba is there. Remaining protocols came. Means our growth is very high because Java 5 is popular. Java 5 is very popular. Of course, today's engineers you don't know, but like us people, we know. Because we participated around 20 years, participation is there. Like me, many people. We traveled with Java daily morning. When we wake up, Java only. We sleep with Java. Since almost 20 years onwards, I'm thinking about Java only. So in that period, we know the growth also. Java 5. Here, when the protocols are coming, array cannot withstand world. That only drawback of array. Array stand the all requirements of real-time world, because real-time world data is dynamic. Dynamic meaning is changing. The data will be changing. Whenever you open your internet, you will click something. One data will come. Suddenly you will say, sir, I want to see all the trains from Secunderabad to Tirupati on 14th January, you say. Some trains will come. Again, suddenly, no, I want to board it by Kajipet. I want to see by from. Again, the data will be decreased or increased. Understood? No, I'll take from Vijayawada, I'll take it. Again, the data will be decreased or increased. That's called dynamic. Dynamic means changing. Changing data. Based on the request, the data will be changing. Maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 100, maybe 50, maybe 60. Changing data. One more data is runtime data. Runtime data means we cannot predict. What a user is going to do in the internet world, we cannot predict. Based on his request, the data will come. That's called runtime. We cannot predict the data. Because of these two reasons, array cannot withstand. They brought collection. When they brought collection, the first one is vector. I shown one vector, no? That vector came. Hash table came. Map. In map, one hash table will be there. I'll say the history once again. I'm saying that point. These two components only came first. Your other first brought vector and hash table. He brought it. And he started working the replacement of array. But later on, he want to make all these comes under one single window. Then he brought that root. Iterable, collection. Collection has three categories: set, list, queue. Under that structure, he brought it. He brought under single umbrella, he brought it. Whenever he is giving a category, types of applications changed and came. When the types of applications are changing and coming, somewhere sorting and searching is playing a role. Internet world means that only, no? You are searching. Always you will search it. You will type something in the Google search engine, answer should come. Always searching is very high today. Whenever you want to search efficiently, the data must be ordered. That only sorted. Other brought one algorithm in the form of sort into collections first. The other brought, research says that brought into collections. Today trend, we cannot write that much of lengthy codes. Class must be implemented from comparable. Take one compare to method, write the logic. You're writing, no? That is an old pattern. Today, lot more tools came into market. This much of lengthy code you cannot add to the project. So they said, let us introduce one method directly into list. That only sort method they brought. Newly, by 2014, they brought one method known as sort. So this sort method coming with the parameter known as a comparator. I'm going to write this program separately. And one more new thing came as a replace all. You can see here, java.util.function. One sub package came, function. From that one unary operator. This is also Java 8 only. These two methods newly added to your list by Java 8. Replace all means all the elements must be replaced at a time. Okay, right. Whenever you want to work with replace all method. Whenever you want to work with replace all methods. See there. I want to apply replace all. Whenever you want to apply replace all method, here one unary operator is there. This unary operator is a child of java.util.function.unary operator. It is a child of a function. Can you see one function here? Right. Open that function. Can you see function here? Right. This function. This function, I given one list to you when the interface chapter is going on. Anonymous inner classes. Introduction to Lambda. Here, can you see types of interfaces? How many are there now? Normal interface, functional interface, marker interface. Among this functional interface, which one came up to now? Consumer came. Today, who is coming now? Function is coming. After now, consumer came. I drawn the diagram in the last class. Consumer given one accept method. to hold lambda expression passed as parameter to for each remaining method and for each method. For each remaining method available in the SPL iterator, later on came into iterator. This much of history is there for you. Now, if I want to introduce function, how I am introducing function? Among list, one method is there, replace all method. Replace all method parameter is unary operator. Unary operator is a child of a function. Now you have to bring the function outside. Now write, define function. Today's class starts with the nodes. Anyway, the program will come down. Today's class starts with the nodes known as define function. Define function. TR. R means result. R means result. T means whatever the value you are sending. Function. TR. Function is a functional interface from java.util.function package introduced by Java 8 version and which is used to perform functional operation on collection objects. It will work on all objects, collection objects. Function is a functional interface from java.util.function package introduced by Java 8 version and which is used to perform functional operation on collection objects. Functional operation on collection objects. Function. Now, structure. Structure of function. Structure of function. These 6 things you have to remember. I introduced consumer. Now I am bringing function. I'll bring the remaining also. Predicate, by function, I bring all. That 6 are the popular functional operators came by Java 8. So among that, one you used consumer. I written in nodes in array. Again, I written in nodes in collection. Have you observed me? Right. 2 times I written. To create object for consumer, of course, we are passing lambdas only. That lambdas we are passing for each remaining and for each. That's a theoretical available with you. Today, one more functional interface coming. To introduce these names only, I given a list in interface. In interface chapter, I given a list. Suppose if I want to skip the syllabus, I will not write there. If I am a trainer, want to slip and send the students outside very fastly, if I feel it, I will not write the list there first. I'll try an interface and send it. What you will do for me? Some trainers will do that only. No, some interface only needed actually. These are all 8 features only. Their functional interface, method, lambda expressions, and all 8 features only. But I included part by part, and there I given a list also because I should introduce them. Now I am introducing function. You had a notes on consumer. Remaining 4 you are waiting. Now R stands for what now? Result. This also I written for you in the notes. When I am introducing What is it? Generic programming components. T, K, V, E, R I will highlight. Generally, this only you are seeing in the library, no? If any new thing comes, I'll introduce. These are the basic things you are observing and coming. Right. Here one method is there. What is the method here now? Apply. That only abstract method, remaining are concrete methods I removed. Only one abstract method I am introducing, that is apply. It takes value, returns the result. That's the meaning of it. Right. Completed? Right. See that. For this, how to write lambda expression? Sir, I must write the lambda expression and apply, no? Yes or no, na? Right. So, syntax, make it. Syntax of LAMBD lambda expression. Syntax of lambda expression. Syntax is I must take interface name, sir. Function. Some T comma R. Some OB object name is equal to. I must write the body for apply. Some body. I must write. Draw one box and keep it. R means result. It returns the result. It returns one result. Now, look here. Suppose I'll take one function here. Function is coming from import java.util.function, one subpackage. I am using one functional interface as a function. I am not using replace all now only. Just I am introducing function. If you know function only, you will understand it has a child unary. The unary you passed as parameter. That much of link is there. Okay, right. Here my intention, how to use a function. T comma R means T is input and R is result. Suppose system dot, not like, I must write lambda, no, I forget it. Lambda expression for function. Function. Suppose input I'll give some integer, I'll give it. Output it will take float. So function object actually. Function object. So OB. Right. Here lambda. I am passing some BS. I'll pass it. Like this. Now, BS plus 0.93F into BS 0.63 F into PS. So system dot out dot println total salary is equal to BS, not BS, OB dot apply. Here 12,000 I'll apply. Total salary came, no? Can you see this? So generally, what is the meaning of this is, sir, we constructed one lambda expression here. This lambda expression is for apply method. This lambda expression is for apply method. This apply method, I am passing basic salary, I am passing. Okay, right. Here, this function constructed anyway. System dot out dot println enter the basic salary. S dot scanner not there. Huh? Int basic salary is equal to S dot next int. I not used integer no here. Sorry, scanner no. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Here, basics. First you understood this syntax, yes or no to me? Right, okay. Now, input is integer. Output is what now? Float. Suppose if I write primitive data type here, error will come. If I write primitive, error will come. Because I said no, why we use wrapper classes? One interview question is there for you. Why wrapper? Because wrapper class one session only for us. That also easy only. All wrapper classes will be there. We do boxing, we do unboxing, auto boxing, auto unboxing. If we don't do it else, it will do. Why this is needed? They'll ask a question in the interview. I said no. Java frameworks, Java tools, they work with objects. They never work with the primitive. Whenever in a syntactical form also, you must give wrapper class name only, you must give. Then only it will accept it. So they will work with only class or object forms. Enter the basic salary now, 15,000. Answer is coming or not now? Right. All of you understood function? Right. Okay. Now, that function you must take in the form of unary. Where is the method? Replace all. Replace all. We had a method known as replace all. Write it. FAQ. Define replace all method. Replace all. Replace all method. Replace all method is replace all method is used to replace all elements from the list. Because replace all method available in the list only. I am writing from list. Replace all method is used to replace all elements from the list based on some functional operation. Replace all method is used to replace all elements from the list based on some functional operation. Actually, function means one doing some operation is a function. Okay, right? Replace all method says that whatever the function you constructed, this replace all method will take that function and do operations on all elements. It will do operations on all elements. Whatever the operation you constructed, I will do on all elements. That's called replace all method. Right, like this. Suppose our target list is available now anyway, right? In this list, system.out.println. Now I am trying the method known as replace all method. I am trying. Replace all method parameter is what now? Unary operator. This one means some operation is going to be performed. Some operation is going to be performed. Some functional operation, you can say. Functional operation is going to be performed. But whenever I want to do a functional operation, according to the library here, unary operator is a child of your function.